You might be still asking, like, what is YouTube automation business model? So basically, YouTube automation is a business model where we create content and we upload on YouTube platform, okay? But we don't have to do any of those work. We don't have to create videos because we literally hire a team who creates the videos based on the ideas that's already been working on YouTube platform. And we create ideas, and these freelancers that we actually hire, they know what they're doing, and they have been doing this for a very long time. So for them to create videos for us, we're gonna be paying them a little bit of money, and when we get the video, we upload on our monetized channel, and when we get views, from those views we be earning income, because every video that plays on YouTube, you probably might have seen the ads that's actually popping up, right? When someone skips the ad, someone on the other side is actually getting paid from those ads, right? And when we have a monetized channel, that's how we actually earning from this platform, okay, YouTube automation. And basically, each video might cost you somewhere between 15 to 25, 30, $35, but that one video can make you 5 to 10, $15,000, right? I know the highest earning that a person got from his YouTube video is about $42,000, and he spent only about $50, right? So the return on your investment is going to be very, very high, and not a lot of people actually know about this YouTube automation business, okay? So if you want to know more how I'm actually earning income from my YouTube automation channel, which is monetized, just comment info below and I'll be able to share with you all the information. So again, thank you so much, and I'll speak to you soon. God bless.